Hello, fourth grade readers. Happy snow day. I hope you enjoy this last rare April snowfall that we got to enjoy today. So, along with, of course, going outside and enjoying this awesome snow day, what you're going to complete for me and for your other teachers in reading today is you are going to open up your Connect Ed, get logged in, and there is a story called Energy Island. Now, we started reading this in class together last week. We had to take a little break for state testing, but we are going to finish reading this story today. And actually, you're going to do that with independent reading on your own. So what I would like you to do is, in Connect Ed, start at the very beginning of the story, because even if you read most of it or half of it with your class, it's always great to do repeated readings to see what else we can learn from our second read through of our story. So you're going to open up Energy Island in Connect Ed, read this story through. It's several pages long, but don't worry, you don't have a lot of other things to do in reading today, so it's not going to take you that long. So read through the complete story. When you're finished, the directions tell you the next thing that you're going to work on is there is a main idea chart that you are going to open up. This is in Schoology. You're going to download this to PDF Expert. And then you're going to fill in this main idea chart just like we've done in class all year long. What was the main idea of Energy Island? What do you think they were trying to tell us through this story? And then I want you to support your main idea with 3 supporting details. Now, I want text evidence details to be extra fancy. I would love it if you wrote down the supporting detail along with where you found it in the story. Whether you say page number, paragraph number, whatever, if you could be very specific in your text evidence detail, that would be extra impressive. So tell me the main idea of the story along with 3 details. Then you're going to upload this back to Schoology reading to the assignment called Energy Island Main Idea, and upload that assignment back so that your teacher can see that you've completed that for today's work. The only other thing that you have to do today is I want you to set a timer somewhere and make sure you read for at least 30 minutes of independent reading time. So get cozy, get a blanket, get some hot cocoa if your parents let you, get snuggled up with a book, and get 30 minutes of independent reading done today as well, and make really good use of your time working towards those new reading goals. All right, Energy Island and Connect Ed, main idea story, uploaded to Schoology, 30 minutes of independent reading, 3 things. I know you can do it. Enjoy your day. We will see you at school back tomorrow.